I've been running round in circles, chasing my tail, lost my way, seeking shelter in different corners, never finding a place to stay. Somehow ended up here on the ground. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down. I know that I've hurt the ones that I hold dear, the ones I love. Thought that I would find the answers, drinking till my feet felt numb, just like Father did when I was young. I don't know how I could be so dumb. I've been lost far too long. I can't see, I'm trapped in darkness. Life has turned it,
and it bobbles everywhere.
Brother, help me up, I've fallen down.
Just need a little bit of...
Have you ever felt like someone who's meant to be somewhere else, caught inside a state of mind where nothing's really making sense? That's why I've been left here on the ground. Sister, help me up, I've fallen down.
And this is what it is.
I've been lost.
Okay, go! How was it? Come on!
I don't like being on my own. I could use someone to hold. I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore.
Plenty of rain.
You said you had to go away
Out of the river,
just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house with your pictures on my wall. But I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do, it's hopeless to be holding on to you. I guess we forgot about the way we could sit and talk all night. We just let the good times pass and got caught up in our fights. I say I don't mind, but that's a lie, thought we'd work it out. I've tried to let you go, memories they tend to stay. Doesn't matter anyway, cause it won't be you and me. Now I'm just waiting